Hello everyone, and welcome back to A to Z Ozone. In this video, we will be going over when is an ozone generator needed. If you have not already, do not forget to check out our website to have a look at our ozone generators and blog posts. Automobile interior cleaning. Ozonated water can be used to sanitize the interior of vehicles, including bacteria and pathogens present. Hotel and hospitality industry. Ozone generators are used in hotel rooms and other hospitality settings to ensure a clean and odor-free environment for guests. Water treatment. Ozone generators are used to disinfect and purify water by killing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. Medical sterilization. Ozone is a powerful disinfectant, and ozone generators are used in some medical settings for sterilizing equipment and maintaining a clean environment. Food preservation. Ozone is used in the food industry for its ability to kill bacteria and slow down the decay of fresh produce. Ozone generators can be applied in food storage facilities and refrigeration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to check out our website to have a look at our ozone generators and blog posts. Have a good day.